If at any stage you wish to update what students are going to be receiving the assessment, you can do so by coming into the assessment and clicking on Students. Here you'll see the list of students who are going to be completing the assessment. So we've got 3 students here. And if you would like to include more students, these students can be added by clicking Manage Students here. You'll see this is assigned to students in Section A, and 3 students have been included. You can use this drop down to change what section of students is included. You can also update it so that it's just showing all enrolled students. And you can also scroll down to custom, and using this custom feature, you can include and exclude specific students or sections of students. So to include multiple sections of students, we're going to click the red X beside all enrolled, and we can just type for the sections that we'd like to include. If there are specific students you would like to include, you can also type their name here. And what you'll see is that you can have these multiple sections and students to be included. You can also exclude students here as well. And if you ever want to update that, again, you can just use the red X beside the student's name or the section name to remove that from those lists and click Save.